Hi everyone, welcome back. So this is a really quick video slash tutorial. People have asked me about this little function that I use whenever I use ACF. So just download any not any, but just either create your own blank plugin or download it from here. You can just download this on almost any blog post that I have here because a lot of times I use code like this, but here in this case, it's in here, right? So once you download that, you will end up with a plugin that looks like this, right? So of course you can change the name. Wait, let me just go inside the folder. Okay, of course you can change that name because if you don't want PK there, you just do whatever you want. But inside that plugin is this, so you can change your name, etc., etc. But here, right underneath here, you're going to add some code. Okay. Now, I'm not going to do it here. I've already done it, so I'm not going to do it here. But the code that you get is this code here, right? This one here. Now, the way that this is set up is, and you need ACF Pro to do this, of course, and these field keys that you get, these are supposed to be sort of its own little generated unique code. And I use a repeater field with just a number as a row. Now you're able to, you can do whatever you want with this, name it something else or whatever, but you're gonna have to do it here because I've actually just added it as like a hard-coded PHP from ACF export tools. So if you don't want to think too much about how to do this, just just take this and that will add it in there. If you want to change some of the names or whatever, like it says site global settings here, you can just change that to whatever you want. Maybe like disable Gutenberg settings or something like that. It's up to you. Menu slug doesn't matter that much. The dash icon, I use the little honey dipstick. That's right, isn't it? I don't know what it's called, the honey thing. I use that here, but you can change that whatever you want, right? So this, up to this point, everything here is, of course, setting up this site global settings page, all right? And if you're going to add it to this file, right, this blank file, then because you're going to add it to the bottom, don't take that PHP with you, leave that out. This will be copy pastable, so this probably won't be there when you copy paste it. So this is one section, all right, and the other section down here is disabling the pages that you enter the ID for, and it'll, disable the Gutenberg page editor. So for example, if you have like a page here, let's see, the About Us page, if I hover over it, I can see that's 39. So if you look down here, you'll see that it says 39 there. You can also go into the edit page and you'll see on the top right there, it says 39, right? So if I enter 39 here and save that, then this will be disabled. Okay? So yeah, that's how you use this, and that's how you add that thing. This will be in two different segments, two different pieces of code. That's one that disables everything. But, you can't change the hide editor name. So you see here, it says hide editor. That is the field name. And if you want to change this, just either change the label, because that's all you need to change how it looks, and just leave that alone, because just, it's easier to not edit too much, because hide editor is a generic name. I don't think you need to brand that. But if you want to change the label here, you can just change that, like hide Gutenberg, like that, and it'll look like hide Gutenberg if you look at it on this page. Okay, so that's pretty much it. And if you need to, if you're using like ACF layouts on the back end, this will help you, and hope that works. So if you have any questions, let me know. But otherwise, there you go. Thanks. Bye.